elevator.
Okay.
We going in the elevator. Push that lobby flow.
Oh shit.
Twerking in the elevator, twerking in the elevator, twerking, twerk, twerk. Yeah, we in the elevator. We finna go to the we finna look for them balls.
Look at the flip flops and the socks. Come on, child.
I'm Ratchet.
That is your nickname.
Oh no, I don't want these. Okay, so let me tell you something. Okay, these is my cars. You know, I got a lot of stuff to choose from.
Here.
These is my cars, you know. I gotta keep it. Sometimes I'll be driving a Benz, or I'll probably drive my Lexus truck or my Audi. And then times when I want to be low key or whatever, you know, this is the nail car because it's a Honda, and I know Asians like Hondas. So, you know, we gonna take that.
Here, let me unlock the door. It's still recording.
We gonna take the nail car today. You know, I got a lot to choose from, and this is just a preview. I be driving the Passat sometimes, you know, and the BMWs over there, but we finna get in the Honda today.